I'm on my way sa training ko as a host. So yun, sana maganda yung maging result niya, makuha ko college certificate. So, tignan mo, may lawit pa dito. May lawit. So, na-fix ko na siya. So, yun, it's currently 4 a.m. in the morning. And ayos ako. It's already.
Din misteryoso, di pa rin mabasa ang iyong tunay na motibo. Ibang pinapakita, taliwas sa iyong salita, pero ayokong magduda, baka lang sa simula. Maghihintay na lang na ika'y dumaan, sana ay maibsan ang aking pangungulila. Trapped in this fairy tale, but I don't wanna wake up in this dream.
Check po natin kung sino po sa kanila yung magsasabay-sabay. Okay. Okay? Kunwari ito yung birthday celebrant, ha? Ayan yung birthday celebrant. Ay, gusto mo ano? Palit po. Isa dito.
Unay na patingin, mahiwagang salamin, ano bang dapat gawin?
Okay, ready? Extend! Good job! Hala, sige! Huli kayo sa camera! Hey! Kanta! Jolly Summer Carnival! Kumanta!
Nasaan ba?
Jolliest afternoon, ladies and gentlemen! At kaunting sandali na nga lang po, ay dadalhin na namin kayo sa tahanan kung saan matitikman ang pinakamasarap at pinakamasayang birthday party!
Yes!
At syempre, before tayo mag-dive into fun, may mga kaunting paalala lang po tayo, katulad ng Be responsible! At para po sa ating mga parents, paalala ko lang po na please keep an eye po sa ating mga Jolly Kids para masigurado po natin ang kanilang kaligtasan during our program.
Yes, Ate Claire, tama ka dyan!
Ayan. Ay.
Be the Bida! Magpakabibo para manalo ng premyo. We are the 40 hats and your name tags so that we'll know each other by name. Makisayaw! Yes, makisayaw! Makisabay sa kanta at sumali sa ating mga games or activities.
Grabe, ang galing naman sumayaw ni Kuya. And next, para sa ating next reminder, be thoughtful! Para po sa ating mga guests, ito na po ang oras para iparamdam nyo sa inyong pamilya, minamahal sa buhay at mga kaibigan na masaya po kayong makita sila ngayong araw sa importanteng okasyon na to. After all this wonderful occasion, it's not just about the celebration, it's also about spending time with one another.
Yes, wala pong palakpakan dyan!
Ayan sa desan, Kuya, ano ang last reminder natin, Kuya Arjon?
Be happy! Your favorite Jollibee meals will be served later at Jollibee and your table during lang have sarap time. No need to sign up, Jolly Kids. For now, mag-relax kayo dyan and witness and experience most joyful Jollibee celebration.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, be prepared to be entertained to the grandest and the most spectacular, fun-filled, jolliest carnival celebration of the year. Jollibee together with his friends, Hetty, Popo, Twirly, and Yum are very excited as they welcome Jenny and his family to the Jollytown Carnival. We will experience the celebration spectacular like no other field with festivities, games, and endless fun. Kaya't sabay-sabay po nating batiin at i-welcome ang ating birthday celebrant kasama ang kanyang mommy and daddy! To start the party and entertainment, the Jolly Kids Party Group has prepared a thrilling performance for all of you that you surely won't miss as we celebrate
Jenny!
Jollytown Carnival Party.
Welcome to the Jollytown Carnival, a place that's super magical. Dance and sing with Jollibee. Jollytown Carnival, let's go and share the fun.
Hey! Hey!
Hey! Jollytown Carnival, where all wonders can be found. Come with us in this journey of having this sweet life. At the Jollytown Carnival, we will touch the sky. Welcome to the Jollytown Carnival, where all your dreams are possible. You'll see a grand adventure with Jollibee. Welcome to the Jollytown Carnival, a party in the land of fantasy where everybody is jolly. Enjoy and jump the rides, jolly spaghetti, Sunday and fries. Save surprises, ear to ear smiles. Jollytown Carnival, where the joy starts. Jollytown Carnival, let's go and share the fun.
Hey! Hey!
Jollytown Carnival, where all wonders can be found. Come with us in this journey of having this sweet life. At the Jollytown Carnival, we will fly. Let's go and share the fun. Jollytown Carnival, where all wonders can be found. Come with us in this journey of having this sweet life. At the Jollytown Carnival, we will touch the sky.
Second game tayo mga Ben. Ang tawag sa game natin ay Color Gotcha!
Go back!
Yo, Bre!
Nag-enjoy pa kayo. Kami ang malaki.
Yes!
Oh, yes, Bre!
Enjoy na enjoy, Ben!
Yes, Bre!
Next, Ben.
Yes, Bre!
Happy mga kids ko! Happy yarn?
Salamin-salamin kailan niyo bago papansinin. Ayaw kong maniwala.
Yes, Ben!
Alam niyo. Okay. Basta pag alam niyo, ano color to? Okay.
Blue!
Blue!
Source ka na, Ben.
Ayoko maniwala na baka mabaliwala. Pero sa iyong suyap, mga mati nang umusap, di ko kayang magpanggap. Ano ba talaga ito? Maghihintay na lang na ika'y dumaan. Sana ay maibsan ang
Enjoy ba kayo?
Yes!
Enjoy na enjoy sila, ate Maita.
Yes, Ben.
Si Ate Beth. Let's go, maya-maya lang. Next, please.
Six. Okay, the first six hosts that I will call, I would just like to highlight them because based on what I saw since yesterday until the final performance, they gave their full performance, you know. So yun. So I just, based on what I see, so sila yung I would say outstanding in performance. I'm not saying that they're the best, but they gave everything. Ang sasabi ko sa inyo, as long as I see that you're giving everything, walang magiging problem tayo dyan. So, okay, let's start calling. Back to the south from Jollibee, Imus, Anabu, Claire, Angela.
It's not too late, I'm ready to be called a princess.
Next one, medyo na-surprise na ako because I didn't expect it na habang medyo nonchalant siya. But he or she gave a good performance.